It's time to stop work. Well, we're out at the creek today. We're gonna run a little bit. Luke's got his set up. We just classified some buckets and about to see what we get. Just ran a bucket. I don't know if this is going to pick up, but I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Right in that area. So it's piled up in there. More over here in the corner. More here. Looking pretty good.
Fresh morels.
I didn't see them before, man, but yeah, them are gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'll come back to the house. Here's the cons for the day. I've already classified the big stuff out of there. Say hi.
Hi.
I won't go through this
I got
just to see
in my
if
mouth.
we see anything, but we're gonna run this on the little cleanup sluice. See what we got. You ready to help Daddy clean some gold? See
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. Let's get this thing turned on. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. Just take just a little bit and put it in the top up there. Alright. Hold on a minute. We gotta adjust this a little bit. Alright, I think we're ready to go now. Yep, go ahead.
Again.
Yep, we can get some more ready. We got Sierra F over here. Alright, let's run this stuff.
Now me. Can you do it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we ran a little bit. I'm seeing quite a few pieces in there. Let's see if I can get this light on it. What are you doing over there? There we go. Now it's starting to show up. Pretty cool. Alright, we just got to run them cons. I think I'm just going to pan this out, see what we get. We'll let this run for a little bit. Get some of that material to start moving. Let me turn this light on real quick. I'm seeing quite a bit of gold in there though. Ain't looking too bad. Let's let it run and we'll look at it again. Still letting that clean out a little bit, but in the meantime I panned what was left in the pan here. Let's see if we can pick it up. Some nice pieces in there. So, see if we can see anything in the box. I'm definitely seeing quite a bit, man. Looking good. It's gonna be a good one, I think. So I'm gonna let that run for a couple more minutes and then shut it off and get everything cleaned up. Well, I just shut it off and man, we're seeing some pretty nice gold in there, man. So let me get this sluice cleaned up, pan it, and then we'll see what we got at the end. Alright, this is what we got out of it. Ain't too bad for, I think, about 3 buckets or so. I still got some inside that snuffer bottle. Let me get it all out. There it is. Not too bad, I don't think. We got rained out half the day, man. Only had probably a couple hours out there, if that. So it ain't too bad. So that's all we got this time. We'll see you guys on the next one.